love it. I love it. So let's transition into this, Brandy. So you're looking to get into coaching. Mm-hmm. All right, talk a little bit about that. What you're looking to do with that?
Yeah, so in network marketing, building an organization and helping people, I discovered some talents that I have that I didn't realize I had. And that is literally pulling things out of people that they didn't know they have inside of themselves. Yeah. I just call it a gift that God gave me, just straight up. I'm like, I didn't even know. I would start conversations with people on my team, and we're talking about business. Yeah. And by the time it's over, they're in tears. They're like, sis, I needed that. I needed help with that. I needed to break those, those mindsets and habits that I was doing that was hindering me. Right. And so I was like, I see strength in more so coaching now. So even with my travel product, I use it for myself. I don't book as much when I do. I have elite clients that come in, luxury clients, I like to call them. They know what they want. They got their money. We don't need payment plans, and it's okay with payment plans. But, they just ready to do. So those are my clients now. Now I spend time on developing people that wants to come into the entrepreneur space. And so I said, you know what? This is a gift, and I want to turn it into, my business, my passion is helping people. So that's starting that Brandy J experience coaching, transformational coaching platform, mixed with a little bit of spiritual healing. I do. I am, help people with that as well. Those breakthroughs, those mindsets, trauma. We all have childhood trauma. I tell people your success is spiritual. And I know when I was working with you and doing some coaching with you and your platform, that millionaire mindset, that course, that really set some stuff off in me. I was like, okay. So I go back and revisit those things, Gerald. You just don't know. Y'all haven't worked with Gerald. Listen, it's a game changer.